Okay, for third period, today we're going to start our warm-up. Sorry, we're going to start our review for the final. Now, when's y'all's final? Third period will be Thursday, which is early release. Now, I will see you, obviously, we're here today. Then on Monday's normal day, I'll see you Monday. Tuesday, I'll see you again. Okay? And then Thursday is the exam. I will not see you Friday. Okay? So we have 3 days to review, basically. Today, Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Actually, so we have 4 days. 4 class periods. No. Okay. So let's do this warm-up. Can everyone listen? Can everybody listen? On our warm-up, this is a throwback warm-up to when we did parallel lines with the transversal. So you got to know this for your final. It's going to be on your review. So let's remember, if this is 117, do y'all remember that little trick we learned? How do I know which other ones are 117? What was it? Okay. The trick is, now y'all said some true things, but the thing I taught y'all is to go in like a zigzag pattern, like alternating, right? So what else is 117? Okay, so G, so 117, G is alternating or zigzagging, right? And then which one? C crosses over, B crosses over. You see how that's like kind of a zigzag? Those are all 117, so to answer the questions up here, I know B is 117. Now, let's see if you can impress me. Who wants to impress Mr. G? Maybe you don't, but hold on. Before we do that, okay, hold on. I haven't asked the question. So, the question I have. Okay, so the question I have, that is a challenge. What do we call the angles B and 117? There's a name for that relationship. Not alternate. They're congruent, but what are they called? Wait, what? Okay, corresponding. Now, B and 117 are on the same side, but they're not both in, they're not both out. One's in and one's out. So that's the weird one. This is corresponding. Here's another one. What about C and 117? What are those? Alternate interior. That's good, right? Good. Is everyone looking up here? So, what about 117 and G? What are those? Vertical. If they're at an X across from each other, those are vertical. Okay? Now, let's try another one. How about C and E? Same side interior. What about B and H? Same side exterior. What about B and A? Right next to each other. No. B and A make a straight line, and they're a pair that makes a line. Pair that makes a line. Linear pair. Or you could say they're supplementary, but they're called a linear pair. Okay, now real quick, all these blue ones, the way I figure those out is what? Okay, I think you were saying that earlier, right? So to get the 4 other ones, subtract 117 from 180, and I get, so that means A is 63, D is 63. Now, doesn't that, I know we didn't just learn this, but y'all remember we went over this, right? So you'll have stuff like this. All that old stuff is on your review, which I'm going to give you today. But if you didn't finish your test yesterday, or if you weren't here, you got to start it today. I need those tests done so we can grade them, so you can see what your grade is, and then we're moving on to the final. Again, we, in this class, have 4 days. Other classes have, depends. So if you needed the schedule, here it is. Maybe you take a picture of it later or something. But we're going to get started here.